Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see mobile application development using Android Studio. The first experiment is to do a metric conversion, perform any one metric conversion. So we are going to do the advanced app office using the radio button in a single selection. So let's open the Android Studio first. So over here we have our Java files, and in the resources we have our activity. So this is our first activity. So it's the latest Android version 3.0 and it is taking some time. So this is our first UI which the user will see, and this is our kilometer to meter conversion, meter to kilometer conversion. This is our second activity in which we are going to display. So as we can see here in the text view, we are just having a text view just to take the input from the user, and that is in the main activity. And in the main activity we have just taken the radio button with the whatever we have assigned the ID to it, first, second, third, fourth, for each one of them. As we just saw in here, its name is 1 2 3 4, and over here we have just typecasted it using find view by ID. It takes the argument of integer type, so r.id.b will return the integer which is the ID of that button, and similarly for direct test and radio button. So we have already declared it in our main, and then whenever on button click we have set the on click listener, and then if text is empty then it will not execute anything, but if text is not empty then it is going to perform these conversions. So the first is float, so it will change the text to float, whatever float value of that text will be. And then if button 2 is checked, then we are going to put it in this and going to start a new intent, the second activity in which we are going to display it. Similarly, if button 3 is checked, then we are going to create a new intent in which of second class, and in which we are going to put extra the name and the value. Similarly, for if button 3 is checked and if button 4 is checked, we are just going to put the values and we are going to slow it into the last. So over here we have at the end start the activity I, and then at the end we are just going to display, make a toast, otherwise that enter some value. So let's run the app and see. So I have already installed the app in my phone. This is my first app. So let's say we write 45, we say click kilometer to meter, so it just gives us kilometer to meter calculation, the value. So we have already, as we have seen here, the first is our name, whatever from kilometer to meter conversion we are doing or whatever, and then second is our what is the value we are giving, and it is in kilometer to meter. As you can see here, it is in kilometer to meter or whatever, and then the answer what we are converting it, we are putting it. So we are converting into 1000, we are going to display it. So that's how it is working. So that's all. Thank you for watching.